Hello, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about creating a Nuxt 3 Axios plugin. So what is Axios? I bet you know what it is. It's a promise-based HTTP client, so it's a way to fetch data. And then a plugin is a self-contained code that you can add. So it's like code that you add right to your app. So let's do it. To create a plugin for your Nuxt 3 app, first of all, you need to have a plugins folder right in your root. So this is one plugin, this is another plugin. So let's create an Axios plugin. So first thing, just do yarn add, oh, not that, yarn add Axios. So you're gonna get Axios, I already have it. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna create a folder here called Axios TypeScript, like that, and then you're gonna just copy this one. We're gonna use the provide. So get that, place it there. Wait, I didn't copy that properly. Copy that. Why isn't this working? Copy. Paste, and then we're just going to say import Axios from Axios. I'm going to get rid of that comment. Get rid of this. And then I'm going to just say here. So provide just means you can do like a $sign. And that's pretty much it. So let's see how this works. Right? So what this means, right, is I could go to any component here, and because it's provided, I can actually say this, right? Let's say that, hey, let's get some data, right? So let's just say, let's do div, and we're gonna go crazy here. We're gonna do vhtml, which just means show the stuff here, and we're gonna say, can we do that? No, not that. Here, let's do this. We're gonna say script setup, and then we're gonna say const Axios is use Nuxt app Axios. So this Axios is what we just added. So this here is a plugin. And then let's try to get some data, for example. So first, let's create ourselves a server real quick. So right in your root here, we're just going to say create a server folder. And then we are going to create an API folder. It's supposed to be a folder actually. API folder. And then we are going to create, I'm just going to say hello.ts. And then let's see what they say here. I keep forgetting I'm using a Windows PC. Just going to copy that. Paste that. Because we added the server, I'm going to stop and restart. Going to do yarn dev here. While that is building, this should also save. All right, so this is going to allow us to say, let's try. We're going to say when we mount, we'll wait for everything to load. When we mount the whole app, let's run that Axios. We're going to say Axios get /API hello. And then it's a promise, so we're going to do this. And the promise has a response. And we're just going to console that response. Okay, so we're just gonna ask the Axios plugin to go to API hello and grab the code. That's it. Let's save this. Let's see if this is going to work. So we go back here. I think that was contact. All right, there it is. So this is it, right? This is Axios. So this is the data. That's what you want to get. These are the headers, and the request status 200 means it's okay. And that's pretty much it. So whatever we place here in the server, I don't know if you've ever created a Nuxt server before, but it is sweet. You can say, this works, brother. Save that. I don't know if we might need to restart the server. Might. Let's check the front end. Let's reload the page. Oh, that worked. See this? This works, brother. And that's it. So if you know how to use Axios, then that's all you need. So, yep, this is a short video. Hey, by the way, if you want a Nuxt 3 starter kit that works, that looks exactly like this starter kit comes with pages. Here, I'm going to show you what you get. It comes with components, so you know how to build Nuxt 3 components. It comes with the layouts, so you know how to work those. It comes with pages, so you can know how to build Nuxt 3 pages. And it also comes with plugins, right? Yeah, I just added this server and types to help you with TypeScript. So it's a beautiful Nuxt 3 starter app that I created just for you, so you can know exactly how to start using Nuxt 3. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. But hey, click the link below if you want to get yourself this Nuxt 3 starter kit. It's yours absolutely free. Hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a comment. Let me know. All right, I'll talk to you soon. God bless. How do we turn off the video? Oh, where is Bandicam? Stop. See you later.